welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you are new, you are welcome. Join the family. And if you guys want to see how I achieve this color, I don't know, is it royal blue, sky blue, whatever blue it is, please stay tuned. We're about to start. As you guys can see, my water is ready to go. It's boiled. So the color I'm using today is sky blue, bright semi-permanent cream hair color. Sky blue, bright semi-permanent hair color. If you want to do this method, you have to use semi-permanent color, not permanent, because if you use permanent color, you need to bleach the hair. So lucky me, my hair is already bleached. I bought like that. The reason why I bought two color is because of the baby hair. Nobody wanted blue baby hair, right? I bought 4 of them because I have 3 bundle. So the longest one I have here, this is the hair. I have 4 of them, as I said. So it's size 24 and Ndothupi or 22. It's so 2 of them. Kaklosha or 18. Okay? I'm sure kaklosha ke sokuriro kathupi bodonjisenu, but abanshabe unguriso uri no kaunomba. Okay. Kusha atute. Wow. Wow. Ai munikana wa. Shivara shimianga shuri shivara shinu amishimianga primero mango shivara shiuri ni. Shivara shi oshine bangashi. Basi to yo ba. So jamba ka indikani. Para. Obi para. Merungo. Wow, look at this. Njine ina bana mai munuka shina royal blue, because I wanted royal blue but they have sky blue. So lucky me. Amushitishina mine good. And the good thing about semi-permanent color, you can also like remove it if you want. You don't no shimepitisa blonji memuraisiri vandu vanje ipitisa wana injo nanjina uri baking soda kana kawiripe. Okay, mix evararoe. Matotengere poka closure meno shakeka shimbareta rwana shovengi mu YouTube kana vara vetengere poka closure usho chigaro ka lighter amimianga ushango ka closure okeriro kandaka ushani metengere poka closure kashore. All you have to do is just to dip the hair in the water. Dip the hair in the water. Keep on dipping. Wow. Make a thumbnail. Blue hair don't care. Blue hair don't care. Blue hair. Okay. Kaklosha make samuyuri. Stino tape. Diri purana yuri. Dodanje vemba himukwenje njino ba. Diri purana uri kushavi. Kaklosha nga make samuyi. Atu tape ake how. Mentipa yare nimudo kushitoko mahali rengo obena peno plate fulano mara hoyi ndo handani kaklosha nga mukutu nimeshitina nini Wow. Maharengo. Paka kuloja bonga kibitena. Kiri na ori. Keke embori. Pumonti podonjisenu momeanu odonjise puma de tora evara. Osha opuma de manevara no mokotome osha o shimatu eda o bandlambo varinu mewe de var. Puma de manevara ni. Shimonti pamu o shima de tora varani. Ndimuna kusha mundu kotero kugo iyo vina bima bishikra iyo mundu aro munyori. Mundu aro munya maji dimako ge kuru. Nombori. Kama mbodo pena. No vishange vyaro yuti. Mundu ari mashiti. Wapendura vako 200 anda iposa lo nemwe. 200 and something 200 and what? 200 amwisa bima hiyo mashinira ndane mwari kaza vashikandela. Vinambi ukaenda kutandauri tashasha YouTube honga de ovandave YouTube ohonga de ovandave ave uri gwero masho wayo gwero mthya YouTube ngira bowe kurama mtu mwe popo patuluka utole varana wa ngosha monjiropo mapeta monjiropo peta monjiropo na mihango inambia goro kwambio ka ai asho vina kavina mbikudo para viri poco hita muito bandera de vina no mongo de anje muito primero rata con blue ndima kondo na mbura uri inakushiwa kujoweri kula vika kandishishika mbasha vina shiva kwa mina amolere onjite mfoko nyatorora lukuru ave hashitini na ambade mpi ndambi viri poco de sade suema ndede sashiri ndame de samoko tomianga so biso oko kware kare oka 24 neke sama menya mgunga tuva muri so tatosha kake manu kireni wow koka close kama nuka ko via po wow Nkene mwenye ko mlondamba Bongo shira endori shimari tendeza kumbana ni. Bueno, no me pesa hirungire pehini. Mucho mora si tino ruta ko. Ogane sembo go batanda amba go YouTube ambo ve kungana ruta ko. Amba nguru we bashimotara. Bai shiri vipara para Kavina uti. Tita mwaje wewe kako. Nenda la ngone vipara. Nje kena vipara. Kuntipa moko toni ko shaitore bara. Wari shinene na into bakombanda ndo bene ko shanda. Kana itore bare blue kako no ngunda ihiamblishwa. Mudona kada no ka no blue, chama de cara no do baby blue, chama de cara no do royal así, chama de cara no. Marapoga close ka kambura o royal. Royal blue ngini anga. Nero njinanga, ngini ya kamuni kasino. O baby blue. Ingo kalas kemeru ngire mwino mpaka muna kusha miri tripa urino kuliropa. Yo regalo un blue njiri yunji. Wow. I don't know you guys can see that. It's beautiful. I love it. efapoka nangombo rokushitani wow. At this point the hair is done. I end up dumping everything in the water except the closure. So, and I'm going to let the hair sit in the water for about 15 minutes. I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to use color solution. With this method you want to use color protector shampoo. I bought this in Sally Beauty Supplies. I think any beauty supply will have a color protector shampoo. Oh, jamais mixa muno conditioner or olive oil because I don't want to wash the hair because I need to protect the color, right? You know, we didn't bleach the hair, so we need to protect the hair. This is the outcome, and I'm so in love with the color. Blue is my favorite color, and I'm super proud of myself because this is my second time dyeing my own hair. The first one was honey blonde, and I was so in love with the hair. And this one, oh my god, my number one favorite color is blue, then maroon, mustard, black, but blue, it's number one. So I wanted something different because I'm traveling. You know, then you thought then go on the brown and she better than you thought the brown and on dorodu. Hiri munu kusha mimukana wa pupeta pishim papi. Maybe anku henga mbia kuri munu different. Thank you guys for watching. Comment there kusha made munika vi mwami. Mehe very bidina wa already. Mamu jithana baby blue. Mun December. Okay, call me baby blue. I'm okay with that. Bye.